And I'm Max Naz, and this is Nature Boy. And behind the camera, we have Flintstone. Now, let's take a walk over here. As you can see, it's a pretty rainy day out. What do you think about that, Rash?
This morning I had some normie and a bunch of wallabies came out and I was like,
That's
all right.
great, Rash. We're going into the deepest depths of these woods, and we're going to see what we can find. That's right, Rash. We're going to see what we can find in these woods. Holy fucking shit! Rare brown leaf. They say they're very nutritious. I lied. You're right, there's something over there. Let's send Flynn to look at it. What is it? It appears to be the shedded shell of a beast. Look, it had been eating the brown leaves. You're right. You're right, Rash. We're gonna keep looking for clues of this beast. You know what? Let me take the camera from you for a second. That one looks good. Yeah, he's getting in there. Oh my God, Flint! Oh my God! 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 Sit on him! Not working! Rush, get up! We gotta kick him! Come on! Come on, wake up!